Stay hydrated with the Hisense fridge with dispenser in silver color featuring a convenient water dispenser. Droplet. This appliance combines spacious storage with easy access to chilled water. With features like no frost technology for hassle-free maintenance and energy-efficient performance, it's a smart addition to any kitchen. The appliance is still new, 1 year old, with a small scratch at the bottom.
Check out the next page and see our trading hours. Based on 39B Voortrekker Road, Goodwood, Cape Town. Come have look, we got more staff that you might like. Don't forget to follow us on our social media pages so that you will be notified when we post our new stock. Enjoy your day. We love you.